y'all, Serena here from Make Plant Create. We are getting this garden bed right here behind me all prepped and ready to get some drip irrigation down and finally get to planting this thing. I'm just kind of doing some spring cleaning and getting it all ready, so here we go. I've had these garden beds covered over winter since maybe about December, some parts maybe January. I started out with a chicken tractor to kill down all of the grass, and then I amended the area with some blood meal and wood chips and leaves and some other things. This is my first real attempt at doing a no-till garden, so we'll see how that goes. There are a few little weeds still in there. This little guy is a passion flower, so I'm not going to pull that one up. I'm going to keep him and see if I can get it to grow up and over the pergola. We'll see what happens there. These little sprouts are actually little offshoots from the passion flower that I planted on the side of my garden gate to grow over the trellis that I put there. So I don't know what's going to happen with them. They might blend in with the garden. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Back when I was trying to figure out this whole tire tower thing that I built here, I only had 2 tires on there at first, so I didn't drill holes in this middle tire, so I'm going to get those holes drilled in there so it'll have good drainage. Some kind of cheap potting soil. This is organic. Little update on this flower bed that I planted a couple of weeks ago. I've got some sprouts coming up, so that's exciting. I'm not exactly sure what each of these are. I planted some borage, some nasturtium, wildflowers, and sunflowers. Now I'm just bringing over some of the cardboard that I pulled up from the garden beds to hopefully suppress some of the grass from growing in this spot. The plan is to get a bale of hay from my uncle next door and just put down a nice good thick layer of hay all around this garden bed so that I don't have to keep on mowing and weed eating. I used what I had from the composter ball, but it was really kind of a waste in a project this big. I probably should have just saved it and used it on smaller things that I had here and there, little pots and this and that, because I wound up running to Lowe's to pick up 20 bags of compost. This is a 144 square foot garden, so it's a pretty big project. I also had to pick up a splitter for the hose to do the irrigation. a long day of getting everything prepared just to get things planted. Preparation always seems to take the bulk of any project, but it's a necessary step in getting anything done and looking how you want it to look. I can't wait to get the plants in the ground. So stay tuned for that.